In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove payment methods in EA app. If you have a saved credit card, debit card, or PayPal account linked to your EA account, and you'd like to remove it, this guide will show you where to find the option. If you don't have any payment methods saved yet, like in my case, you won't see anything to remove, and that's completely normal. The payment and wallet page will simply be empty until you add a payment method in the future. To get started, open the EA app on your computer and sign in to your EA account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, click your profile icon and open your EA account settings. This will redirect you to your EA account page in your default web browser, where you can manage your account details, including your payment information. After the page loads, navigate to the Payment and Wallet section. This is where any payment methods associated with your account will appear. If you've previously used a credit card, debit card, or PayPal account to make purchases, you'll see them listed here. However, if you haven't added a payment method before, you'll notice that this section is empty. That's expected, and there's nothing you need to remove. In that case, you can simply leave the page as it is. If you decide to make purchases through EA in the future, any payment methods you save will appear in this section. If you do have one or more payment methods listed, locate the one you want to remove. Make sure you've selected the correct card or PayPal account before continuing. Then, click the Remove or Delete option next to that payment method. EA may ask you to confirm your decision before completing the removal. Once you confirm, the selected payment method will no longer be linked to your EA account. If you're unable to remove a payment method, it's possible that it's currently being used for an active subscription or a pending purchase. In that situation, you'll need to update your billing information or manage the related subscription before the payment method can be removed. After the process is complete, refresh the page to confirm that the payment method has been removed. If it no longer appears in the Payment and Wallet section, the removal was successful. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,